Good morning, my Panthers. How is everyone this morning? Today is Friday, which is the 24th of November 2023. Now, Panthers, comment down below how was your lunch, how was your tea time. Yesterday it was a feast, man. I don't want to lie, Panthers. Yesterday it was a feast. I just want to take you through the calculations and how everything it turned out. Now, Panthers, also, I want to highlight the reason I'm so good when it comes to these numbers. There's something that I have mastered. You understand? So basically here, I've told you before, you know what? Numbers are a beautiful storyline. You understand? You just have to invest in having to learn them. You understand? So what I have mastered, I've said to you, numbers are a language. You understand? You need to understand the language, and then you need to understand the message that is being passed through these numbers. You understand? Now, Panthers, what I also wanted to highlight is that if you are not really investing in learning, it's going to be very difficult for you to catch this. You understand? If you are not serious about learning these numbers, all you want to do is what? Get booming numbers and it's chai. It'll bakela matata, Panthers. You understand? So my bad, sorry. I just want to take you through my predictions for yesterday. Let me show you how I had predicted these numbers. Let me show you how I had predicted these numbers yesterday. Now, as you can see, we have 4 and 3. Here's 4 and 3. I believe you can check the pattern that 4 and 3 played yesterday. It played 4 played on lunch, and then 3 it played on tea time. And then here we have what? We have 3 that played on tea time, 6 that played on tea time. Here, these were my predictions for yesterday's draw. Those that are in my VIP can attest to this. They know what I'm talking about. We see 4 and 3 playing exactly. Let us check the pattern that 4 and 3 played. Let us check the pattern that 4 and 3 played yesterday. And I'm going to take you through all the calculations. Let me take you through the pattern 4 and 3 played. Let me show. Okay, here we're having 4, which is yellow ball, 3, which is what? Which is the orange ball, exactly as calculated, exactly as I calculated, perfectly so. Here, I had calculated 4 will come on lunch, 3 will come on tea time. Let us confirm again. Exactly as calculated, this number played like this. This number played like this. Yes, on lunch time we have a yellow ball, and then on tea time we have 3, which is the orange ball. Now, Panthers, let me take you through my how did I get to these numbers yesterday. As I've said, you know what, yesterday was a feast. I feasted like nobody's business. Now, Panther, I've talked about your target. I've said just because you saw me doing this, it does not mean it is going to apply in today's draw. You need to understand your target. What do I mean when I talk about the target? More when you talk about the target, Panther, that thing I will explain more in detail when it comes to those lessons. You understand? I can't spoon feed you. I can't give you everything on a silver platter. Now let us go and check our first numbers on the 22. Let us go on the 22 and check for our first numbers. Let us go on the 22 and check for our first numbers. We have what? We have 6 and then we have 3. We have 6 and then we have 3. But then let me put it like this. We have 3 and then we have 6. Now 3 and 6 we are going to check for a draw whereby 3 and 6 played as what? 3 and 6 played as first numbers. I think it played on the 24th of October 2023. Let us go on the 24th of October 2023. 24th October 2023. Let us go on the 24th of October 2023. Let us go on the 24th. Here, on last time we see 3 it played and then 6 it played. 3 it played and then 6 is played. Now I'm going to say, Panthers, I always prefer that you count manually soon. You are going to count from the 24th of October up until the 23rd of November. You must get a difference of what? You must get difference of 31. Now I'm going to take a shortcut. I'm going to say 31 minus 24 plus 1 plus yesterday's date. I'm getting a difference of 31. I'm getting a difference of 31. On 31, I'm going to say 3 plus 1, it is 4. 4 played first yesterday. And then I say 3 multiplied by 1 followed by 3 on tea time. Let us go and check their pattern. 4 is played on lunchtime. And then 3 is played on tea time. We sing 4 and 3 exactly as they are. Let us confirm if we're having 4 and 3. The manner in which they played Panthers are just so beautiful. They are just perfect. Let us go and check the manner in which this number played. Now we have 1, we have 4 and 3 exactly in the same line. Exactly in the same line. You understand the beauty of having to calculate these numbers. So Panthers, I've told you the reason why I'm so perfect in having to understand this number, because there is something that I have mastered all over this month, this year. You understand? There is something that I have mastered. Let me show you again. I will show you a draw again. Now we go to the middle numbers on the 22. Let us go on the middle numbers on the 22. We have 27 and then we have 11. Now we're going to say we're going to add these middle numbers. We say 27 plus 11 equals to 38. 38, I convert it into what? 38. 3 is placed as what? 3 is played as a first number. And then 8 is played as a bonus. I must find this row. Whereby 3 is played as a first number. 8 is played as a last number. Let us go on the 20 of November. Let us go on the 20 of November. 20 November lunchtime. Let us go on the 20 of November here. We're having 3 and 8 exactly as predicted. Now I'm going to count from the 20 up until the 23. It is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4. We have a difference of 4. We have a difference of 4. Now I'm going to say on a difference of 4, I say 4 multiplied by 23 equals to what? Equals to 92. 4 multiplied by 23 equals to what? 23. Those that are not familiar with why am I using 23? 23 is our current month. It falls under the factors that are making up the code, the factors that are determining a playing code. You understand? Some things you still have to learn them. Now I say 92 is our code. I say 9 plus 2 equals to 11. Let us go and check 11. I think 11 is played yesterday on lunchtime. Let us go and check for 9 and 2. No, 11. Let us go and check. Here it is 11. Here it is 11. Now I'm going to say 9 multiplied by 2. I think 18 is played on tea time. We have what? We have 11 on lunch and then we have 18 on tea time. Let us confirm, Panthers. Let us confirm, Panthers. We have 11 on lunch and then we have 18 on tea time. Remember, I have proven 4 and 3 and I have also proven what? 11 and 18. You see how this number played yesterday. Now, lastly, I'm going to use the very same difference of what? Difference of 4. I'm going to say 7 multiplied by 4. Remember, what is 7? 7 is the number throw. Those that are not familiar with the number throw, Panthers, 7 represents the numbers that are being thrown on UK. Now we have what? We have a set code of 28. We're going to say 2 plus 8. I believe 10 is played on lunchtime yesterday. I believe 10 is played. Here's 10. 10 is played yesterday. Now I'm going to say again. 2 multiplied by 8. We have what? We have 10 and then we have 16. On 16, I say, the manner that this number played, Pandas, it is a sign. I've told you, Pandas, these numbers, correct, they are speaking to you. You need to be attentive for you to master these numbers, you understand? They come in different shapes, but then the message will still be what? The message will still be the same. On 16, you just break 16. You say 1 and 6. 1 and 6. Let us confirm on tea time. On tea time. Yes. On tea time, I've calculated how many numbers? 4 numbers. Which is 1, 3, 6, 18. 1, 3, 6, 18. I've calculated about 4 numbers. 1, 3, 6, 1, 3, 6, 18. On tea time. Only on tea time. You understand? This number, I think they have about 10,000 odds. They equals to 10,000 odds. Using maths, Pandas. Using maths. Nothing but maths. I'm not a spiritual person. I'm not gifted. I don't see these numbers. I just apply my calculations. You understand? I've calculated how many numbers? 1, 3, 6, 18 on tea time. Now, when it comes to lunchtime, I've calculated 4. And I've also calculated what? I've also calculated 10. 4 and 10. Yeah, on lunchtime I calculated 4, 10, and 11. 4, 10, and 11. And then this, they equals to what? They equals to 600 odds. You understand? So yesterday I had my fair share of boom. You understand? More especially, I banked on singles. More especially, I think lunchtime was a bit tricky for me. But then, as I did my calculations, I knew I'm expecting these numbers. I'm expecting 18. I'm also expecting 3. I'm also expecting 6. And I'm also expecting 1. So I made sure I went all out. So Pandas, at the end of the day, I told you, you know what? These calculations, they are not ending here. You still need to understand what do we mean, what are we talking about when we talk about breaking the set code, the factors that are making up the code, and also the factors that are determining a playing code. These things, Pandas, you cannot achieve them on day one. It is going to require you a lot of lessons. You understand? So Pandas, when it comes to today's draw, Pandas, I believe you are going to feast. That is, reminder, this video, it is not for predictions. I'm not predicting today's draw, but then I was just showing you a recap on what had happened yesterday. Now, Panda, even this strategy that I used, it is not going to apply into today's draw. It is not going to apply into today's draw because you need to understand what is your target. You understand? But then I've said, you know what, I can't give you everything on a silver platter. You understand? So Pandas, I've said to you before, those that require those lessons can text me on Facebook, by which I'm using this account, Tseko Sondezi. Pandas, when it comes to today's draw, stake what you can afford to lose. Good luck. And Pandas, don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, tell a friend that Tseko here is doing wonders. Now Pandas, let me love and leave you and stay blessed. Thank you.